Okay, I'll do the thing like, hello everyone, welcome to the CAPV office hours. Yeah, the usual stuff. But I mean, I think I don't have to repeat it. We all know the the drill about adhering to the code of conduct, etc. Okay, so yeah, I will just share a few updates. Essentially, what we did like maybe the last few weeks or maybe 1 or 2 months. So what we're currently working on is basically integrating 2 things. One is Kubernetes 1.30, and the other one is CAPV 1.7 alpha, beta, or C, whatever is coming up. The idea is essentially to have, as soon as CAPV 1.7 is out, and as soon as Kubernetes 1.30 is out, to just get a corresponding CAPV release out of the door. So corresponding minor release to 1.10, basically. So we're just continuously integrating both, and then hopefully, like, I think it's the week after 17th April, we can cut CAPV 1.10 if nothing serious shows up and makes us problems. Apart from that, we were basically busy in improving our test coverage, and we did basically two major modes, I would say. So one thing is that we can also run our end-to-end tests against VCSIM. So that's basically, you don't need a vCenter, you can just run tilt up and can run the end-to-end tests. And an additional spin to that is essentially that you can run it either in the Govimomi mode, so the non-supervisor mode, or you can also run it with supervisor, which basically means that you have a VM operator running there. Fabrizio thankfully wrote good documentation about it that one of us will link the doc, just if people are interested. Yeah. Otherwise, what else is going on? I'm not sure. That were the main things that we were busy with.
We're starting, at least from what I'm working on, we're starting to dig into multi vCenter support and deploying nodes across vCenters with CAPV. So we've not seen anything broken there at the moment. All that seems to be working, but that's kind of where my focus is going to be, is making sure that works appropriately, and it seems to thus far.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, definitely feedback welcome if breaks somehow. I remember we had some open PR or something around, I don't know, being able to specify credentials in one additional place or something like that. But it's I know we already have a few places where they can be configured. So yeah, let's see if you run into problems with that, if you need more, or basically if the current state is already good enough.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Oh, maybe one important thing. So the current state on main is not exactly perfect, just because I saw PR from Fabrizio. So basically what we did is we just kept on upgrading Govimomi. And then at some point deprecated functions showed up, and we just thought, oh, hey, here's a deprecated function. Let's just use whatever the deprecation message is telling us. So we switched the other function, and it turns out that they are not, I really don't know the details, but let's just say they're not thread safe in the same way, and you cannot just switch over without changing like a lot of other stuff. So Fabrizio just has a PR open to revert it back. That will 100% make it into the next release. It's just if you would use current main, then so what we hit is we're running into deadlocks essentially. That I think the vSphere VM controller probably ran into deadlocks because yeah, Govimomi and stuff. Yeah, had a deadlock. So yeah, but I would expect like should go in next week or something. Worst case, we need one minor linter fix or something.
Yeah, that's a good one to point out.
Yeah, maybe one that we should. Good. Fabrizio will probably see it, but I make a note on my side that I'll ping him next week if he doesn't remember.
Yeah. Yeah, it would be good to get that in before we do some patch releases next week.
I think the patch releases are fine because I think we only broke it on main. Is that correct?
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure, but we should check.
Let me check. What's his short name? Okay, let's do it another way.
Yeah, I think the PR where we broke it was linked on the Gomimomi issue. So if you go this way, probably see how old it is.
Yeah, I am only sharing my other window.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I tried this as well and I didn't find him somehow. Don't ask me how.
I know it's from Borja.
2735. Oh, his ID is CLEBS.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also didn't find him with auto condition this time.
Yeah,
so that one is from February, so and wasn't cherry picked. And it was 1.10 by the auto cherry pick bot. Sometimes it's actually useful.
Yeah.
Sorry, the milestone bot, I mean. Okay, so no cherry pick, just this one fix. Yeah. Yep. So far, so good from my side, at least.
Yep. Nothing to add from my side.
Then I guess happy Easter, whoever is celebrating.
Happy Easter.
I don't know what you usually say there in English for Easter.
That's it. No, that's perfect.
It's really happy Easter. Okay.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
All right.
Then happy Easter. Stop the recording.
Yeah.